Well, it's kind of dark back here, but on the side of my headboard there's a couple old-fashioned low amperage USB ports. So I'm getting ready to try to switch it out to this, and behind that cover is a PD port, USB-C power delivery, and a quick charge USB-C 3, a power switch and on-off switch, and a little screen for voltage. So a pretty neat device. Doesn't match up exactly to the plate that's there, but we're gonna see what we can do to make it fit. Don't forget to disconnect the power before you start cutting on wires. Alright, so screws out of that plate. I'm gonna open it up. There's a giant round hole, which is a good sign. And wires. So, get this out of the way. The plate that come on that unit is that. And it will cover the hole well enough, but there's some stuff visible there and there. I think I can fix that. It's so dark back here normally. I think I can fix it well enough that nobody will see it. So let's see if we can put this unit in there. Okay, with the power off, it's so dark back here, but maybe you can kind of see. So I've cut the old USB off, left a little bit on this end, left a little bit on that end. If I ever want to use the old one for someplace else, I can. And then strip the wires, getting ready to put some terminals on there to put the new one on. But you can see the hole, or maybe you can see the hole, is a little bit better looking than what it was when I first pulled it apart. I bought this furniture stick scratch repair from Lowe's, Home Depot, someplace. So I just kind of marked that up. I don't think it's going to be visible once I get the other piece back in there, and with it being so dark back here all the time. So we'll see how it looks after I get it back together. So time to put some wire terminals on. Alright, the unit's wired in. I got the 12 volt back on. You can see, I guess we can see, it's lit up, it's working. Check the phone's charging. So now to put it back in the hole. Alright, it's done. It's in. It's charging my phone on the little nightstand. So you can see a little blip of light from the voltage meter from way over here. Not sure if that's going to bother me at night, but there's always the ultra technical black tape fix if it does. But there it is. Turn that off, and in the hole. And if you weren't looking, I don't think you'd notice that there's still a little bit of damage there from where the old one had a bigger cover plate than the new one. But it's in, functioning, working, and I like it.